welcome back to our channel. Today we made Pandan coconut waffles, Vietnamese style Bánh Kẹp. In Vietnam, it's a street food, not like in Western. It's for breakfast. Whoa! So cool, right? I know. Now we need all of these ingredients. Mom just write it down here for you. Vietnamese recipes on the description for you. Now in the medium bowl, whisk the eggs well combined. Coconut milk in, after that all ingredients in. OMG, so cool. And it's even super fun to mix. Woo! 1 teaspoon baking powder, add at the end. Please mix well. Mix. Add pandan paste if you like. You could use vanilla or almond extract if you want to. It's up to your taste. Do whatever you want. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes or more. If you want waffle for breakfast, keep it in the fridge until the next morning. Woo! Yay! Woo! Good morning. We have breakfast ready. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. No, not yet. Ha ha. Now we turn on the waffle maker until you see the ready light. Scoop the batter in just enough, not too much, it'll overflow. Set time to 6 minutes or less. If you want it soft, just bake for 3 minutes. If you want it crunchy, bake to 6 minutes. Adjust the time for your taste. Ooh, wow! This recipe can make around 6 waffles. So cool. The smell of the fresh waffles is so good. You cannot hold your fingers from stealing it. Haha, I steal them a lot. They're just so good. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. See you tomorrow on this channel. Bye!